Good morning from the Thoughtful Gardener. My friend John is watering the newly installed pollinator garden here at the New Cumberland Community Garden. And you can see all of the plants, many of them donated from the Master Gardeners of Cumberland County, as well as my own garden. We've got bee balm and asters and milkweeds, golden Alexander, dill, and other pollinator plants that will attract pollinators not only to this garden but to the larger garden itself. More pollinators you can attract to your garden, the more food you can yield. So about 30% more according to the data out of Rutgers and Clemson University. So we were lucky enough to be given 2 plots, and you can see we are given a little bit of water to this plot as well, and you can see chives and yarrow and cutleaf coneflower, as well as sea hollies, golden alexanders, agastache, and lots of regular, our native coneflower, as well as amsonia and fennel. So really very grateful for the opportunity to do this. It's going to help bring more butterflies, bees, and other insects to the garden, as well as it's going to help grow more food in this garden. So thank you to the Realtors Association here in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, who helped fund this garden and who helped plant it this morning. I'm super grateful to you guys. You're welcome in my garden anytime. And I just want to say, garden thoughtfully. Take care.